Today we're going to be animating this orange cat right here for my Lofi videos. Today we have a more normal cat, let's say. This is a cat that might exist in real life. This cat actually reminds me of a cat that I used to have in real life. Here's a picture of that. And we're going to animate this cat right now. So step number one is we're going to split the cat into different components. So I want the tail to move up and down, for example. So I am going to split the tail from the body, which means I'm going to select this tool right here. And I'm just going to draw a selection around the tail, and I'm going to cut this to a new layer. What does that do? Now the tail is a separate thing and it can move freely on its own. We're going to rename this into tail, like that, and then we're going to start animating. So at the bottom we have the animation pane right here, and we are going to do our settings. So basically this is the total number of frames. I'm going to do 24, and the frames per second, the FPS, is going to be 12. What does that mean? 24 frames per second, which means there are 24 pictures in this animation, this GIF. 12 frames per second, that means there are 12 pictures per second. So this is the timeline, 24 frames. 12 frames is equal to 1 second, and the next 12 seconds is the second. So this is going to be a 2-second GIF. And first step to start animating is we're going to select the body of the cat like that. And we're going to lock it here by selecting the button right here, add blank frame. So as you can see now, there's a keyframe selected that basically tells the software this cat at frame 0 is going to be in this position. And then the tail as well, we're going to have to lock in this position by adding a blank frame. As you can see, there's a blank frame. So as I mentioned, 12 frames is 1 second, which means frame 6 is half a second. At half a second, I want the cat to already start bopping. So the movement of the cat is going to be like this. He's just standing still. And basically, I want him to go this deep, let's say. So this is going to be the movement of the cat. That might be a bit too low. So we're gonna increase it up a bit like that. And now that's too high. There we go. So this is going to be the movement of the cat. As you can see, there's another frame there at frame 6. So basically frame 1 up, frame 6 down, up, down, up, down. That's the movement. And we're just gonna repeat that here later on at frames 12, 18, and 24. Because the interval is 6, it's gonna be a stable rhythm. The tail right there hasn't been animated, right? We're also gonna have to animate it. So I'm going to select the tail, and I want it to move up actually in this frame. So this is the original one. It's going to go like this, or maybe even higher than that. So we go like this. And then I need to fix the edges. Basically, we're gonna select this color and we're gonna connect it. There we go. Also some orange splatter right here. There we go. So now it's connected, as you can see. And of course, the cat needs to bop up and down. So we're gonna select the cat again. And we're going to copy this frame right here. So this is the up, down, down. We want it to go up. And then we're gonna want it to go down. And we're gonna want it to go up again, right here. So the cat's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then the tail needs to also move. So we're gonna select the tail. The tail also has down, up, but this time I want the tail to paste it here, and we're also going to paste that over here. So this is the neutral position of the tail, right? This has gone up, it's back to neutral, and this time I want it to go down, and then back to neutral. So the down position of the tail, we're gonna make it go all the way down like that. Hopefully that's not too drastic. No, not drastic at all. And then we're gonna fix that. So again, we're just going to fill in the gaps. And there we go. Now we're going to render the animation. So you go to File, Render, Export as Video is ticked. And then we're gonna select GIF. And it's going to be, of course, 24 frames at 12, so it's going to be 2 seconds. You select where you want to save it. So for me, this is going to be cat number 6, and then now it's going to save all 24 frames. And as you can see now, we have our cat gif. Thanks for watching.